welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do our first Halloween makeup tutorial. As you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're going to be doing the character of this movie Saw, that by the way is just like 2 weeks ago it came out at the movie theaters. I don't know if you guys have seen that movie. If you did, let me know in the comments down below what do you think. I've heard, I want to see it, I just don't remember the previous one, or I saw until just the third one because I don't even know how many there are. But I heard that it's not that scary. This character, our little friend from the movie Saw. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What we're gonna do if you're new to this channel is basically we're just gonna let it flow the video through voiceover. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing step by step and then just put the music. So sit down, relax, and enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to use is primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio, and I'm going to concentrate on the T-zone and of course the rest of my face. I love to use this primer for Halloween makeup looks. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is to cover my eyebrows. Of course we don't want to see the eyebrows for this makeup, and I'm just applying with a beauty blender. I mean, there's a specific product to hide them, but I'm doing just this way, so in case you don't have that or you don't have time to buy it, it gives you an idea what else to do with your eyebrows. Now I'm using this white paint. I really love this one. I bought it 2 years ago on Amazon, and it is really good. I love it because I don't know if you've seen, like, sometimes the white paint like the color fades away and it's not really white. But like for this one, you still have to, of course, maybe apply 2 to 3 coats. I applied 3. I applied 3 times, but it really dries nicely, and then it doesn't irritate your skin. Well, my skin doesn't get irritated, and I've seen like good reviews. So basically that's what I'm doing, just basically paint my face in white. And as you guys can see, like, I'm going like all over. It doesn't make sense, but on the second and third coat I really be careful how or in which way I'm moving the brush, because then it dries up and then you basically can see the lines of the white paint. Now I'm applying on my neck. I'm not fully finished on the face, but I'm going just on the neck. You can go a little bit further more on the back if you want, but right now after that we're gonna let the hair loose, and then you're not gonna be able to see basically the back of your neck. Then I'm gonna use the pencil from Wet n Wild and make the thin eyebrows of this character from the movie Saw. As you guys can see, we can still see the eyebrows, but don't. So now I'm gonna use the Morphe and Sour Patch Kids makeup palette and use this black red eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on my lid very close to the lashes, and I'm making it red just to give it a little bit more dimension. I don't know if you guys seen the character from the movie Saw. It has a little bit of red if you really get close to it. So that's what I'm doing, and then blend it out. I'm also going to apply it underneath the eyes, also again really close to the lashes. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And now we're gonna move on with the black eyeshadow. I love this palette because it comes really handy when you need to add a lot of color in the makeup look or in the Halloween makeup look. So basically that's what I'm doing, just making the round eyes of this character, and then just keep going on the other side and add more of this black eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna contour the nose to give it a little bit more of a dimension, and then also over here, so it gives again more dimension to the nose. So after that, I'm just going to make some lines with this Wet n Wild eyeliner, which I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm just going and make it lines around the eyes to make it like another dimension to the eyes, and then just blend it so they're not like perfect lines. We're gonna want to try to make it kind of messy, and just be careful around your eyes because your eyelids and the skin is more sensitive. But anyways, the Wet n Wild liner, it's very creamy, but still just be careful with it. So again, I'm just blending this out. Then I'm going to use the Physician Formula mascara and just start prepping my lashes, because after that I'm going to apply some dramatic lashes to it. After that, we're going to move on again with this red eyeshadow, and we're going to do these twirls around like on the cheeks, like our character from the movie Saw. I'm just doing it with an eyeshadow because after that we're gonna do something else. So now I'm going to use red paint, and this is to go over the red twirls, the cheeks of this character. You know that these cheeks makes what is the character of the movie Saw. I just love it. It looks so cute and cool at the same time. So now we're going to do the mouth. The mouth is not that big, it's like just on the lips, but I wanted to make it a little bit different. So what I'm going to do and make is the mouth a little bit bigger, like a clown, you can say. So basically that's what we're going to do, and then just color in the lips, the mouth, all in red. And I'm gonna go back with this black eyeshadow and just go over no underneath the mouth, just to make it like I don't know, like dirty, but also give it dimension to the mouth. I'm also going a little bit over the red, not to make the mouth that clean. Now we're gonna go with the lashes. I told you guys it was gonna be dramatic. I love these, they're so beautiful. So I added, of course, the lashes on the eyes, but I also used the same lashes underneath the eye, and I added one more set on top of my lid. I don't know if you guys can see it. Then I'm just coloring the face, make it dirty, make it lines, but I love how 6 lashes look on the eyes. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time.